Hello my friends, you're welcome to solve this math problem, which is AB is 200, BC is 700, and AC is 800, and to find the value of A squared plus B squared plus C squared. In the first step, in here we have A squared, and we can write A squared as AB times AC over BC, right? In here, this B will cancel this B, and this C will cancel this, and it will be A times A, and it will be A squared, right? Also, for this B squared, we can write this as AB times BC and over AC, right? This A will cancel this, and C will cancel this, and it will be B times B. And for C squared, we can write this as BC times AC and over AB. And this is equal to, in here we have AB times AC, and AB times AC, it will be 200 times 800, right? It will be 200 times 800 and over BC, and BC is 700, and plus AB times BC, AB is 200 times BC, BC is 700 and over AC 800, plus BC 700 times AC 200 and over AB. Sorry, AC in here is 800, so we write this 800 and over 200. And in here, these two will cancel these two, 0, and it will be 200 times 8, it will be 1600 over 7, plus, in here this is equal to, we can write this by 8, it will be 25, and 25 times 7, it will be 175, and plus, in here, these two will cancel this, and 8 by 2, it will be 4, and 2 by 2 is 1, so 4 times 700, it will be 2800. And in next step, we take common denominator, take 7 as common denominator, and 175, this denominator is 1, right? And also this denominator is 1. So in here we have 1600 plus 175 times 7, it will be 1225, and 2800 times 7, it will be 19,600. And from here, it will be 22,425 over 7. And this is our final answer for A squared plus B squared plus C squared. So we write in here 22,425 over 7. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.